What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cryptorama. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I hope you're having a great season so far. I want to do a quick video to let you guys know that we do have a Cornucopias mint coming up next Monday, the 19th. Exact times aren't announced yet, but I want to give you the details that we do have so you can be as ready as possible. Of course, they just conducted the test mint for this 2 days ago. They did a bobblehead Joe that's in a Santa suit. A really fun little collectible. Of course, in their bobblehead series, there will never be more than 12,000 bobbleheads. So they just minted the full series right now. And in future mints, in order to be able to mint a bobblehead, you will have to burn one of these Santas. So I definitely recommend going and picking one up while they're still cheap on the secondary market. About a 13 ADA floor on these guys. Not bad for a free gift, but again, it's a pretty good idea to probably go and get one now because, of course, before the next mint, they're going to pump in price. You know how it typically goes. Not financial advice, but just trying to look out for you guys. And now, of course, we've also got next week's mint, which is going to be two different items. One's going to be a racing suit, which is a collaboration with Cheeky Crypto and gives you access to their investment group, Cornucopias. It's also going to be usable in-game as a racing suit, obviously, and something your avatar can just wear running around. And then they're also going to be doing a lighting kit for our flying vehicles. I'm really excited about that. If you've seen the Dome deck, then you've seen that preview with the Mythic OG Bubble Jet with that lighting kit on it, and it looks just absolutely fantastic. I'm really excited to have the opportunity to be able to pick up some of these for my own vehicles. So without any further ado though, let's get right into the details. Here we are on the Cornucopias Discord, which if you're not a member of the Discord, I highly recommend you go and join. One of the best places for information. You can find the link on their Twitter page. But yeah, here we have Matt, the NFT manager, talking about the upcoming mint. So here was the free bobblehead, as I mentioned, 12,000, 120 reserved for marketing. There was one per account, but actually because they didn't sell out immediately, they opened up more tiers and let us get up to 3. Again, a great example of the team thinking on their feet, rolling with the punches, and communicating immediately with their community and taking care of their community and really taking their consideration seriously. So again, thank you to the team. Huge congratulations on this test mint. You guys did awesome. So the next NFT they're having is that flying vehicle kit. This is a custom light kit that allows players to choose a variety of colors to add to their vehicle when active. This item is a cosmetic upgrade, therefore does not have a rarity associated with it and is not compulsory to use in-game. So there'll be 8,000 of these total. Typically, as normal, the tier 1 will be the OGs. Tier 2 is going to be for vehicle holders. This time, you must own a bubble jet and a javelin or just an OG bubble jet. Either one of those sets will qualify you for the tier 2. And 5,520 are reserved for them. Public is going to be 1,680 are reserved for marketing. Again, 1 max per person, and they're going to be 15 USD. ADA Snapshot is coming. Again, these are really low cost, basically just a fun gift for the community, you know? So hopefully everyone can participate because of that low cost, and it's just a fun way to end the year for the team. You know, they're not trying to raise $1 million off this sale. NFT number 3 is going to be that Cheeky Crypto suit that we talked about. So this is an in-game wearable racing suit with partnership utility. Suit holders will gain access to Cornucopias, VC firm partnered with Cheeky Crypto, an early stage decentralized investment gateway to NFT startups and crypto startups. So there's going to be a total supply of 7,400 OGs and the OGs and Cheeky Crypto VIP roll holders will be the first to mint here. Again, the vehicle roll is going to be both bubble jet and a javelin or an OG bubble jet. So there's going to be 5,000 for them, 80 reserved for marketing, 1,400 for public, 1 per person, 20 USD. Snapshot is yet to come. Another thing that the rarities do for you here is they're going to give you discounts. If you get, say, a legendary or a mythic, you'll get 10% or 20% off that Cheeky Crypto merchandise. So yeah, just a really great way to end the year with these Christmas mints. A lot of fun. Thank you so much to the team. I know you guys aren't making a lot of money off these, but it is help getting us all hyped and excited for the racing game, which is coming out early next year. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, you guys, so you don't miss out on future NFT coverage, and we'll catch you in the next video.